So today I'm going to talk about this heat press by Infantmoment. So as we unpackage the product, you'll see that it comes with a manual, parchment paper. We also see these little patches that are inside the bag, the insulated base, and the heating press iron. It also has 3 heating levels, high, medium, and low, and this is the button where you control the temperature and turn it on. So it's small and portable, and it easily fits into your backpack or your suitcase. Another feature that it has is dual action. You can use it as a portable iron or a heat press. It also has an auto off design, so it automatically shuts off in 10 minutes if you're not using it. And you can use it for vinyl or for heat transfer projects. It's also ideal for handbags, socks, pillows, shirts, clothing, hats, or t-shirts. And it saves you time because it heats evenly. So let's try this product out and see how it works. Okay, so here you see I've already connected it, and this is low heat, medium heat, high heat, but I want it on medium heat. I'm gonna wait for it to be ready, and then we'll get going. As you can see here, this green line indicates that it's ready. It's at the right temperature and we're ready to iron. All right, let's position the butterfly here at the center of my shirt, parchment paper on top of it, and I'm gonna start to iron. So press it down gently and move it in circular motions for about 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the plastic and show you what it looks like in a couple of seconds. And here is the finished product. We have our butterfly on the shirt. Are you ready to create something?